Hello crafty friends, it's Diane with Bean Street Paper, and tonight I'm going to do a little quick video on some super quick cards you can make that are perfect for if you're just starting out card making or if you just need a quick and simple card. This is one of the ones that I made. It's blank inside, but this is perfect for so many different occasions and super easy to make. So without further ado, let's get started. You're gonna need a stamp set. Now I chose a stamp set. I chose this Happy Watercolor stamp set from Stampin' Up. There's a lot of stamp sets that would work for this that have this like wash stamp in it and some flower stamps, but this is just the one I chose. You'll need a bone folder if you prefer to use one, a stamp block, some black ink, glue. I use my ATG gun, and I have two A2 card bases here. I always make A2 cards because I can get 2 cards out of one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So these are 2 A2 cards. The dimensions on an A2 card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So let me just fold these 2 card bases real quick. You want to remember that you want to fold to the mountain, not the valley. So when you score your paper, and you don't even have to score it if you don't want to, you can just bend it in half and fold it. But if you do score your paper, you want to fold towards the mountain. So when you score, you leave an indent on one side of your paper and the other side has like a hump. You want to score with that hump in the middle. Okay, so I have my 2 card bases. Then I have 2 sheets of matte. As you can see on this one, I did like a orangey coral matte, and that layer measures 4 inches by 5 1/4. And I did 2 different colors because we're going to do 2 different cards. And then my white piece, where all my stamping happened, is going to be 3 3 3/4 inches wide by 5 inches long. So I have that. Now let's make the poppy card first. So I'm gonna do exactly the same card. You don't need your bone folder anymore, so you don't have to keep that out. I'm gonna do exactly this card. So what I did was I took my mat first, or my white part that I stamp on first, and attached it to my mat. So I'm just going to do that real quick. You can use liquid glue. You can use any glue you prefer. I love my ATG gun. You're just going to center that right there on your mat. Okay, press it down. Now, I need my poppy. So here's my poppy. Just gonna ink him up with my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Again, you can use archival ink. You can use any ink you want. You can use Stampin' Up ink. You can use any of the inks out there. I couldn't think of another one off the top of my head. Okay, I'm going to stamp this guy to the left, sort of in the middle from the top to the bottom. Just press him down. I just let him sit for a second. Okay, wipe him off. Sorry, that was my cell phone. Okay, put him back. And then I want to take my, looks like I have some baby wipes stuck on there. my wash stamp and just kind of put him on there. Now, for that one, I used this archival ink color in vermilion, and I just pounced this guy on here. And what I did was, hang on just a second. It looks like there's some mess on there that I want to get off. What I did was just kind of center that on my poppy. And voila! Okay. And then you're gonna need your sentiment. Now, I have made this with the thank yous. You can put thank you. I like this, you make me happy. Shh. Sorry. Truck went by and beeped, so my dog thinks she needs to let me know that that just happened, as if I didn't hear it myself. Okay, and I'm just gonna stamp this guy right about here. I really like this this card because there's really not a whole lot of measuring. There's just, you measure the paper, and then after that, you know, you're kind of done. You just stamp it and go. Okay, so now I'm going to take my ATG gun and I'm going to attach this guy to my card base. Now, if you want to, you can add bling, maybe some Nuvo drops, maybe some sequins, but there you have it. That took all of 3 minutes. So let's do another one real quick. I chose this pinkish colored paper, but I'm gonna attach my stamping portion to my mat. I'll do this one a little different this time. Okay. Put him in the middle. There. Okay. And I'm going to use this other stamp. I think this is Snapdragons. But same kind of idea. I'm going to put the Snapdragons to the left. Okay. About halfway in between. Just kind of. Okay. And then I think what I'll do, I need my wash again. And I think I'm going to choose this pink, and then I'm gonna choose this pink, and maybe let's go 3 colors. Let's do this pink too. So I'm gonna kind of do these in order from lightest to darkest, starting at the top. So let's go lightest pink first, right? I'm just gonna stamp this guy up. And, nope, I want to go this way. Sorry, I had my stamp backwards. Just start at the top. Okay, then I'm going to do picked raspberry. I didn't clean it off because I want the colors to kind of blend together. I'm going to kind of overlap it a little bit. And then this last one is going to be cactus flower. And this is a super, super, super bright pinky purple. And I'm going to do that one right here. Okay. Now that will lighten up as it soaks into the paper. I know it looks super, super dark right now, but okay, I'm going to put that away. And I think this one I'm going to stamp with thank you. Okay. It's not, I want to make sure I get it on there super straight. Okay. I'm just going to stamp that right here. Voila. Okay. So without anything else, I'm just gonna put some tape on the back here and glue it to my card base. Okay, and there you have it. 2 super quick and easy cards. Any beginner or anybody can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos in the future. If you'd like to see a certain video, please be sure to suggest something. You can message me or put it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope everybody's safe and healthy, and stay crafty, my friends.